Start. In the case of Oriental Insurance Company Limited versus Rajni Devi Supra, wherein one of us, namely Honorable Justice S.B. Sinha, is a party, it has been categorically held that in a case where third party is involved, the liability of the insurance company would be unlimited. Stop. It was also held in the said decision that where, however, compensation is claimed for the death of the owner of another passenger of the vehicle, the contract of insurance being governed by the contract qua contract, the claim of the claimant against the insurance company would depend upon the terms thereof. Stop. It was held in the said decision that Section 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act cannot be said to have any application in respect of an accident wherein the owner of the motor vehicle himself is involved. Stop. The decision further held that the question is no longer res integra. Stop. The liability under section 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act is on the owner of the vehicle. Stop. So, a person cannot be both a claimant as also a recipient with respect to claim. Stop. Therefore, the heirs of the deceased could not have maintained a claim in terms of section 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act. Stop. In our considered opinion, the ratio of the aforesaid decision is clearly applicable to the facts of the present case. Stop. In the present case, the deceased was not the owner of the motorbike in question. Stop. He borrowed the said motorbike from its real owner. Stop. The deceased cannot be held to be employee of the owner of the motorbike, although he was authorized to drive the said vehicle by its owner, and therefore he would step into the shoes of the owner of the motorbike. Stop. We have already extracted section 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act herein before. Stop. A bar perusal of the said provision would make it explicitly clear that persons like the deceased in the present case would step into the shoes of the owner of the vehicle. Stop. In a case wherein the victim died or where he was permanently disabled due to an accident arising out of the aforesaid motor vehicle, in that even the liability to make payment of the compensation is on the insurance company or the owner, as the case may be, as provided under section 163A. Stop. But if it is proved that the driver is the owner of the motor vehicle. Stop.